He works hard because he wants success. He works hard because he wants success.
I drink water and eat fruits. I drink water and eat fruits.
We will leave when he comes. We will leave when he comes.
If I have time, I will visit you. If I have time, I will visit you.
He played games while I studied. He played games while I studied.
I didn't go because I was sick. I didn't go because I was sick.
She called me, so I answered. She called me, so I answered. He is tall and strong. He is tall and strong. They are tired but still smiling. They are tired but still smiling.
I read a book after dinner. I read a book after dinner.
I love nature because it's peaceful. I love nature because it's peaceful.
I wash the dishes and clean the table. I wash the dishes and clean the table.
Although she is young, she is smart. Although she is young, she is smart. She is friendly and helpful. She is friendly and helpful. He watched TV while eating. He watched TV while eating.
We stayed in because it rained. We stayed in because it rained.
You can have coffee or tea. You can have coffee or tea. If it's cold, wear a jacket. If it's cold, wear a jacket.
I like apples but not bananas. I like apples but not bananas.
She is smart but lazy. She is smart but lazy.
He helps me because I help him. He helps me because I help him.
I like this book because it's interesting. I like this book because it's interesting. I am happy when I'm with my friends. I am happy when I'm with my friends.
She was hungry so she ate lunch. She was hungry so she ate lunch.
If you run, you'll be tired. If you run, you'll be tired.
They danced while the music played. They danced while the music played. I washed my hands after lunch. I washed my hands after lunch.
If you are ready, we can go. If you are ready, we can go. I love cats and dogs. I love cats and dogs. He is kind but shy. He is kind but shy. I laughed because the joke was funny. I laughed because the joke was funny. We can walk or take a taxi. We can walk or take a taxi. I drink tea while reading. I drink tea while reading. She cried because she lost her book. She cried because she lost her book. Although it's late, I'm still awake. Although it's late, I'm still awake. We waited until the movie started. We waited until the movie started. She eats a sandwich and drinks milk. She eats a sandwich and drinks milk. If you are busy, I will wait. If you are busy, I will wait. She studies in the morning and rests in the afternoon. She studies in the morning and rests in the afternoon. I opened the window because it was hot. I opened the window because it was hot. They sing and dance at parties. They sing and dance at parties. I will stay here until you come back. I will stay here until you come back. He runs fast but gets tired quickly. He runs fast but gets tired quickly. She was sick, so she didn't go to school. She was sick, so she didn't go to school. I always read before sleeping. I always read before sleeping. We talk when we meet. We talk when we meet. I can cook or order food. I can cook or order food. She cleaned the house before guests arrived. She cleaned the house before guests arrived.
I will sleep after finishing this movie. I will sleep after finishing this movie. I am tired but happy. I am tired but happy. I like tea and coffee. I like tea and coffee. He was late so he ran. He was late so he ran. She sings while she cooks. She sings while she cooks. I can call you now or later. I can call you now or later. We stayed home because it was raining. We stayed home because it was raining. If I study, I will pass. If I study, I will pass. She is happy but tired. She is happy but tired. They danced and laughed. They danced and laughed. Although it was cold, we went out. Although it was cold, we went out. He left before I arrived. He left before I arrived. We will go to the park if it's sunny. We will go to the park if it's sunny. I slept after lunch. I slept after lunch. She is small but strong. She is small but strong. I brush my teeth before bed. I brush my teeth before bed. They are playing because it's Sunday. They are playing because it's Sunday. You can eat rice or bread. You can eat rice or bread. I ate pizza and drank juice. I ate pizza and drank juice. He waited until she came. He waited until she came. She studies hard so she gets good marks. She studies hard so she gets good marks. If you call me, I'll answer. If you call me, I'll answer. I play football and watch TV. I play football and watch TV. He came late because he missed the bus. He came late because he missed the bus. She sings and plays the guitar. She sings and plays the guitar. Although I was tired, I helped my mom. Although I was tired, I helped my mom. I always eat before school. I always eat before school.